Alright travellers, today we're going to be doing a really kind of quick unboxing and comparison between these new Ark wallet from Alpaka Gear. So we have the Ark Bifold wallet, the Ark card wallet, and the Ark Bifold cash wallet. And just for a little bit of extra comparison, I also have the Ark Passport Bifold, I believe that's what it's called. So let's start off with the Ark Bifold cash wallet. So it actually has a magnet in here, which I didn't expect. That's very nice. A little bit of foam there to keep it in shape. So that is actually feels very nice, and I like the magnetic closure. That's something I wish the Passport one had. This doesn't have a magnetic closure, so the fact that they've included one does show me that they're listening to feedback, which is great. It's quite a satisfying snap to, and you need a little bit of force to open it, so that gives me a peace of mind security that it's not going to kind of fall open. And I'll just show you, I've got some cards here, put one there, and it looks like we have a side one, yeah, and it seems like there's a pull out bit here, so you could put several cards in this side pocket and then use this tab to pull them out, which I think is a great idea. So it looks like that's designed to hold like a fair few, because otherwise they would have probably put a tab on both sides. And so yeah, inside here we have one slot. Is there two? No, it's just a single slot. Felt like there might have been two, you know, to divide the money, but it does appear to only be one. It has a little hole down the bottom there, which is typical of most bifolds. Kind of wish there was a dividing flap, but that's quite alright. It doesn't feel like there's a hidden one. There's a moisture absorber there, which is great. So yeah, I think it feels very nice. I really love the magnet in that. That is the Ark Bifold cash wallet. And just to compare the size to the Passport wallet, the material on this one I think is the new Axoflex, it feels like. So let's take a look at the card wallet, see how it's different than the cash one. Alright, so there's another moisture absorber, which I like. So this is obviously a front pocket wallet, much more minimal. Typically the kind that I would usually carry if I'm not going to be carrying any coins. You can see it has a nice logo in there. And it has a card here showing the name. So it's the Ark card wallet. So you have 2 slots on this side and 2 slots on this side, and then a nice little area for folded notes of currency in there. Very nice. So the sizing difference, you can see they're a bit smaller and obviously much thinner than the Bifold. You could probably even put this inside the Passport one, that's how thin it is. It looks like the X-Pack material there as well. So these two are X-Pack. Let's have a look at the Ark Bifold now. Alright, so this one doesn't have a magnet, which is interesting. And obviously probably it's the most similar to the cash wallet. And you can see the difference. This one's quite a bit slimmer. This one's designed to hold more cash and larger notes and cards. This one has a vertical layout, which is similar to the inside of this one. But this one does also, like that one, have the horizontal pockets. 1, 2 there and here. And it doesn't have a top part. So yeah, it's just, you can obviously put notes anywhere, like in here or in there, but this one does feel much more like it's designed for cards, and it's called the Ark Bifold wallet. So this is the Bifold cash wallet, cash and cards. You can see the note area here, magnetic closure, which excellent, I really like that. This one doesn't have a magnetic closure like the Passport one. It seems to be more geared towards cards, but you could carry more in there as well. So these two more for cards, definitely more minimal as well and very slim. And this one for cards and cash, and it has a nice Axoflex kind of material there. Magnetic closure is great. I'd love to see the magnetic closure on more of them, but overall that is very nice. And that's a quick look there at the comparison between these, and just to show you the passport size. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.